Good evening, friends. We get so many students those who are looking for either data science or data analytics related courses, masters, and they are planning for different countries like say United Kingdom or United States. But they are pretty much confused that whether they should be taking data science or data analytics. So I thought this is a good time to let's discuss some of the key features of these two courses and how these are different and interrelated with each other. So while many students, they use the terms very interchangeably, like data science or data analytics. So when they speak to me, they say, "Sir, I can go for either data analytics course or data science course." But I believe these are totally two unique fields. Like with major difference is being the scope of these two subjects. Like data science, it's an umbrella, and it is used for the group of terms and used for the mine large data sets. But data analytics is mostly this is focused version, and that is only considered towards the larger process part of it. So it's not, one is using the mining part by like mining data sets, etc., and another is using mostly towards the larger process of this data. So when you want to ask the good set of questions, the data science parts come into the picture. At the same time, if you want a good answer, at that time I think the data analytics part that comes into the picture. The significant reason behind two fields is a question of exploration. Like the data science is not concerned with the answering of specific queries. Instead, just parsing through the massive data sets in sometimes unstructured way to expose insights. At the same time, like data analysis, this works better when it is focused and having questions. Like if you have questions in mind, you need some answer to those. Those answers would be existing in the data that come from the data science, but that answer which being concentrated and the questions should be asked, while big data analytics emphasizing on the discovering answers to those questions being asked. So this is the major difference between data science as well as data analytics part. If we see like the course content of Masters of Data Science and the data analytics, so when we see Masters of Data Science, most of the modules would be like the data analysis, machine learning, data visualization, visual analytics, high performance, then distributed computing, neural computation would be another part, and sometime it would also be something like advanced database, information retrieval. So these would be the part of masters in data science course with most of the universities. At the same time, when we are looking at masters in MSc in data analytics course, then it will be mostly towards the statistics, linear algebra, business and decision modeling, like optimization of analytics, then data analytics in practice. So these would be some set of core modules under masters in data analytics. And also these analytics part is mostly used by the business groups. So in optional modules, you can also be find some of the relevant modules related to finance, like computation for finance, or you will also be seeing like the machine learning for data analytics, or the financial econometrics. So these are some set of modules which are being taught in Masters of Data Analytics and not in data science. So data science is like the broader picture, and data analytics at the same time is a part of data science, but more towards the gathering and the making it process oriented data. So these are two different set of things. So most of the students who are looking for core, like the programming part of it or the core data science, they can go for MS in data science. Otherwise, the process oriented and the job part, I would suggest that MS data analytics would be good focus for them, those who are not looking for the core data science related subjects. And when I speak about the universities, there are very many set of universities which are very good in data science related courses. In United States particularly, like University of Southern California, that is one of the best university there. And then New York University, Berkeley is number one university for data science and analytics, both of these. North Carolina State University Raleigh campus could also be a good option for the students. And then sometimes students, they go for University of Massachusetts Amherst, and Northeastern University, SUNY Buffalo, Rutgers, University of San Francisco, then University of Virginia. So these would be some set of good university for a student to get an admit. And the tuition fee would be ranging in between, say, around 35,000 to 50,000 somewhere would be the tuition fee per annum. And these courses would be mostly for 18 months to 2 years, which I am right now talking about. And the GRE score which would be required for these universities would be in between 300 15 to 325 with a very good quant score, because these two courses, mostly the data analytics part, is totally focusing towards the mathematics. So the students should be having good mathematics in maths 1, 2 and maths 3 during the engineering or bachelors of technology courses, and during undergraduate in India. It should be very good, and they should enjoy the mathematics part. When they enjoy it, they will definitely be doing good. There are some set of moderate universities as well which are coming in good in data science and data analytics, like say University of Alabama. This is one of the good universities. San Jose State University. I would also say that university like San Francisco State University, SFSU, Davis can be a good option. Also there can be other good options like DePaul University, University of Colorado at Denver, Florida Tech also having one option in data science and data analytics both. So these are some set of universities which you can target depending on your GRE score and your academics. Previous one universities were like the high reach university, but there are many such universities which are coming in very low range of budget, like mostly the state university, like say State University of New York, University of Buffalo. The tuition fee would be ranging somewhere around 18,000 or somewhere. Similar goes with San Jose State University or say Eastern Michigan University. So these are some set of good university, but the tuition fee is low. So like Philadelphia University, again the tuition fee is low. So I think that for each set of students there are some good universities in each budget, as well as the GRE score, as well as the academics. What you have to do is to plan in advance, and obviously you can get in touch with me on the number below mentioned here, or you can write your comment, or you can directly reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching video. Stay tuned.